Hello, my name is Tom Bammer from Akkadian Labs, and today I want to show you a preview of Akkadian Provisioning Manager 5.0. With almost 5 million seats of our provisioning product deployed, we are the leading third-party provisioning solution for Cisco Unified Communications. We've listened to our customers over the years and really packed our software full of many great features. At the same time, we recognize there's always room for improvement. And one of those things is now we have all these great features in the product is really extending the usability. So the initial version of 5 or version 5.0 will be focused on user experience. We've taken the product and streamlined the experience so you can take a more streamlined journey during your provisioning process. This makes the product even easier to use and obviously downstream tasks to your operations center or your help desk. So today we're going to go through a quick demonstration. The first thing I'm going to do here is search for A. Smith, which is a user I want to provision. Now what happens is I find a list of all the users in the system that have A. Smith included, and I'm going to click on Anthony Smith, and basically I can see here that Anthony Smith has no current or no services provisioned. So at this point I want to onboard. I can see that this is obviously an LDAP integrated user, and I want to choose to onboard what I call a full user. This is all customizable. Our system is still as flexible as it was before. The difference here is it's very, very easy. So I choose what I want to onboard. I choose my site template. I choose the device type or device types that I want to onboard. So I'll give them 8861. I choose a Jabber device. Let's say this user is only going to get a CSF device for right now. And for now, I'm going to leave the MAC address set to auto. I'm going to go ahead and hit perform. And now the software is going to go out and perform all the normal provisioning functions that it does. In a few seconds, this user is going to now be provisioned with all the services that I have defined in the job with very limited selections that I had to make. Okay, now we're done. And what's going to happen is the screen is going to go ahead and refresh. And we're going to see when it loads up that we have everything in a neatly organized fashion. So we can see all the current services, Jabber device provision, the phone, the remote destination profile, the lines, and of course the voicemail. Now the nice thing here is that if you're familiar with our product, we can go ahead and launch a visual phone editor. So I can go, if I need to make changes to this user at a certain point, I can come in, launch visual phone editor, add lines, speed dials, etc. Very, very simple to use, just like before, except it's very simple to get to these. You don't have to go through multiple clicks in order to reach the user. And I can do the same thing for anything such as phone control, adding a line, removing a device. So anytime here I can go ahead and remove this Jabber device if I want to. And notice on the side I have a list of additional services. So if I need to change the voicemail pin, no problem. Go here, enter the new pin, done. Change CUCM pin, go here, enter it, and I'm done. Same process. Very simple, very quick. The important thing is that all of these services are customizable. So we've streamlined this, but it can still fit your environment's existing process. And that really is what differentiates us from a lot of other products. Now, let's say if I wanted to add a new Jabber device, I can click Add Jabber. And let's say I forgot and I needed to add a iPhone for this user. Come here, click iPhone, go ahead and click Provision, and it's going to go off, add that device, and refresh the page. As you can see, that's done. The device has been added to the user. And now if I needed to delete or make any other changes, I can do that right from here. Same process if I need to offboard this user at this point. Just click Offboard User. It's going to ask you one simple question. Would you like to perform it? No other prompts. Hit Perform, and the user is going to be offboarded. So as you can see, we've really improved the journey for using the product, simplified the interface. You still have access if you have more complex provisioning functions to use all of the same features, take the same journey that you had before. But the interface in many other parts of the product is and will be enhanced in version 5. So everything is just going to get better about the product. We're really excited about this release, and we are targeting the end of 2019 to release this product. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it.